What did you get?
Junie B!
Go ahead and look. Do you know what that is?
Gift card!
Do you know what for? So you can go to the bookstore and you can get any book.
Yes! 3! Junie B. Jones is Captain Field Day. Junie B. First grader.
Boss.
Boss of lunch. Junie B. First grader at last.
Do you know that our Nana in Michigan got you this gift? And now with
I
your...
have 4 Junie B's.
And now, Lily, stop for a second. Before you open anything else, stop. I want you to say thank you to Nana for getting you...
Thank you,